Medical science is one of the fields that is going to be much needed in the future. CTE is an amazing opportunity for students to find what they're passionate about, see if it's right for them, practice it, and go on with their love of the medical field. There's hundreds of jobs in the medical profession that they can pursue. There are jobs that require college, there are jobs that don't. And for them to be able to experience it in real life through internships or community experiences is extremely valuable. They learn about medical law and ethics, communication skills, workplace safety in healthcare. The students are really preparing for a career in a profession. I have students that are doctors now, physical therapists, lab technicians. It's great to see kids that find a path and really work on their passion.